You can start shading from any place you want. I often start from cast shadow when I work on a still life. Here, I also leave some lighter spot in the middle of the cast shadow because the light source is also shining through the water droplet, which then casts light onto the shadow. I didn't know that water droplet was so easy to draw when I was young. Here is a tip. Draw highlight on the body of the drop. Then make the part of the drop that face to light source darker than the part face away from the light source. After that, blend the dark and light sides smoothly around the highlight area. You may have more than one highlight. How are we doing? May I see your work?